Hi, I'm Yumi, and welcome to the week that was. A 60-second-ish look at what happened this past week at SJII ES. Start the clock. Monday, everyone walked into the first full week back at school after a relaxing weekend. The virtue of this week was once again friendliness. Tuesday opened with time back in the classroom, where students displayed plenty of creativity and friendliness working with teachers and peers. Wednesday, classes across the school dove back into the pool, starting this term in PE with water safety. Thursday, everyone started straight into IPC, kicking off the year with an intriguing school-wide unit, Brainwave. Friday brought the week to a close, with staff and students enjoying the return of Miss Nichols' fun-filled assemblies before our first full week back at school came to a close. On behalf of the entire The Week That Was team, I'm Yumi, and we'll see you again next time.